How to use cutout in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this tool. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon. Now you can create or open any of the photos here. So I have selected one. Now I'm in this editing platform. Now again, tap on this photo. So here you'll be able to see different tools available. So if you scroll down here, you can see this cutout option. Simply tap on cutout. Now there are mainly three options: no cutout, automatic and custom. So you can customize it and can erase the part that you don't want. And at last, here on the top, you'll be able to see this done button. Simply tap on done. So this will create and cut out. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.